Yeah, it's me, Jimmy. Today I just wanna act like stupid because finally I found a case. If you own a GoPro, any GoPro, it doesn't really matter 7, 8, 5, 6. If you own a SJCAM, if you own any YCam or Action Cam, which is based on the design of GoPro, then definitely you need what? You need what? You need this case. Yeah, you need this case. Literally, you need this case because finding a GoPro case is really very hard. So this case will work for the Geek, GoPro, SJCAM. So here we go. Here is the case. I bought it for 10 bucks. The link will be in the description box below. Okay. It's a quite nice fit to be honest with you. I mean, you could fit some battery under it, or you can fit some microphone port. Literally, I like it, man. I like it. This is a belt case, which means you can put on your belt. I mean, you need to be the judge. You need to be the judge. To me, it seems quite good. To me, it seems quite lovely, quite awesome, quite sexy, quite lovely, 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 lovely. Oh, lovely, oh, lovely, oh, lovely. Yeah, you need to be the judge. Again, you need to be the judge. I mean, firstly, the material is quite beautiful. I really like the material. The material is really very soft, really very beautiful. I mean, as you can see, isn't it? I mean, the material is quite good to be honest with you. Should you buy this case or not? I mean, I will say definitely yes. As you can see from inside, I mean, for 10 bucks, you can't just get a better case. That's all I will say. For 10 bucks, I mean, this is the best case ever I have seen. The material is very soft. I mean, I don't know how to tell you. I mean, from outside, the material is different from inside. It's like, how to say, velvet. Yeah, I mean, maybe you can put your like this SJCAM like this. Yeah, I mean, I just like it, man. Even you can put your SJCAM, GoPro 7, Black, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It doesn't really matter unless it follows the same principle and same design. I mean, there's a lot of space even left after putting inside. Can you see or not? Can the camera focus or not? Yeah, so this is a must buy. It was me, Gmail. Subscribe and buy. Check out the link in the description box. Bye.